Hello and welcome to a video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Build Faster mod. Now I'm going to jump right into this. The first thing is the mod of destructive linear conjunction, and the second one is basically the same thing. I don't know the difference. I know what the difference is, but the difference seems to not be working. So I'm just going to look at this. Now I'm going to grab a random block such as stone. What you do is select this. You can click left click. Now you can click right click and it will spawn a block right wherever you want. Now this will be helpful because watch this. I can just look up, and it's almost gone. But maybe not always. So it's really cool because you can actually go up into the sky instead of having to build a big pillar just to place this block. You can just go like that. It's really cool. So that is actually pretty useful, but I don't think it's the best. Enchant acceptor, place blocks. This thing, let's test it out. I think it's the same thing. Then yeah, this is the same thing too. So this mod isn't perfect, but it is pretty cool. So I'm just gonna delete the items after I use them. So orb of transmission, same thing. Arcane claw of boundary creation. Now this thing you can create boundaries with, like boundary. Then you can create another one. And you can sort of make an area just to like say, this is the area where I should like build or something. You can extend it, make it longer, do whatever you want. Basically, it's a pretty cool thing, but you have to understand it first. If you don't understand it, it's sort of gonna be wasted. Like that. Now you know where to build. You don't have to check again. So that's what that does. It doesn't place anything. Now, staff of duplication. Now this is very cool. I'm going to build a quick thing. It's not going to be big. Now with the staff of duplication, I can copy this and paste this. Now what you want to do with the staff of duplication is you want to select your area. This also has a little glitch right here. Then you want to, it'll create a backup world, which I don't like, but it's okay. Now you can just move it to wherever you want with right click. And then once you're ready, right click it again, and then just hold down right click. You should get this, then you just let go, and then voila, you've copied it. But it does create a world duplicate. So there's going to be extra worlds, so don't spam it too much, otherwise you might have 10 extra worlds in it. So yeah, I'm just going to clear my whole inventory for this. The next thing we have is the Staff of Destruction. Now this one I like, but I don't like to overuse it. Make sure that you don't select too many blocks, otherwise it might go like this, where it destroys a lot. But let's just show you this. It'll show a red dot, and then you just right click and wait, this is about to destroy everything right here. Now it is destroying all that to show diamonds, apparently. Diamonds! Random diamonds right there. Okay. But it is going to clear the whole world, apparently. It's going to slowly go out, but it is flattening the whole entire world forever. So it's pretty cool, but make sure that you have your area selected. Diamonds. Otherwise, it will do this to it, sort of. Where it just so yeah, you really don't want to do too much with it, otherwise you could end up with a world like this. But the last item is right here, the Staff of Relocation. What you can do is, I'm just going to, basically what it does is it can take away that, like I can just say I want that back, then voila, it's going to be back. I think that's how it works. No. This thing is weird. So I think this is where you just select an area, then you can move it, and then it'll relocate all those blocks to that exact spot where you moved it. Like, I'm gonna see if this works. Yeah, it has just moved up all the blocks from land. Now it's like all floating in the air. So it's a pretty cool mod, and I recommend you try grabbing it. You can look at my mod tutorial to find out how to do that. And for now, I will say goodbye.